Yo, what's up guys, Sharoy here from Just Another Style Channel, and today we have another Supreme unbagging slash boxing. Just got a fresh haircut, your boy looking like a snack. Ew, no! Alright, enough with that nonsense, let's get right into this. This right here is from the North Face collaboration that dropped for spring summer 2018. I condensed everything into one bag, so let's see what I picked up. Alright, so this drop started off with me trying to be like every other reseller, going for the North Face jackets first. If you resell Supreme, you know how high of a resale value North Face jackets have. Even though these ones dipped after a while, they still hold a pretty good value. And people out here are trying to look like an iPhone right now, trying to rock the rose gold, the gold and silver one. So if you try and look like C3PO, there's been a bunch of those, Tin Man or an iPhone, then go for it. This jacket is sick, the rock, if you want to look like one of those three. So many memes out there, I couldn't stop laughing this week, but I did catch the L on the jacket. Why did I catch the L on the jacket? You know your boy got the lightning hands, check out, super quick. But I caught the L only because it dropped before 11 o'clock and I didn't realize that. I went to check out, added it to cart, got all the way to the end. It sent me back to my cart. And when I went to check out again, it was sold out, done. Alright, so this week I was able to pick up two tees actually, one in a white and one in a black, both size medium. How was I able to get two tees? Don't watch that, that's my little secret that I'm not ready to tell you guys yet. But let's have a look at the design on the t-shirt itself. As you guys can see, it's got the box logo at the bottom over here, North Face branding up top. The branding is pretty big. The box logo actually goes almost all the way across my chest, similar to design on my Nautica t-shirt over here. So just to give you guys an estimate on how big this logo actually is, I personally prefer it at this size. It looks pretty dope in my opinion. Some people were like, yo, this is too big, but I honestly feel like over time this is gonna be a major piece for you to have in your collection, especially dead stock for resellers if you're holding it. The best thing about North Face collaborations is that they hold their value over time. Even the t-shirts, like if you look at last season's, those are trading for pretty high right now. I actually did resell these two already, only because I was getting $40 to $50 over market value from my client. And if you guys know, even after a while, it would have gone up to about the same price that I'm letting it go for right now. So it didn't make sense for me to hold it on for a year just to get the same price later on. The best thing about the t-shirts over here is that they're not printed on Supreme tees, they're printed on North Face t-shirts. You guys can see the North Face tags here, North Face on the label with Supreme box logo under there as well. And that's one of the better things about it. I feel like the North Face t-shirts have a lot of quality and life to them, and this graphic itself is not like a cheap screen print to it. It's actually in the shirt itself, so it's gonna hold up over time. It's not gonna fade or crack as much. And I feel like overall this is a dope t-shirt, and if you have this in your collection, like I would have kept the black, but obviously I was getting a good price, so I let it go and I had to flip these two. But overall I feel like the black one is a staple. If you collect Supreme North Face, you need this in your collection, either the t-shirt or the hoodie. Those were the top two items in my opinion for the North Face drop that week. And overall, yeah, pretty good drop. Two tees over here, major W, you already know how it is. Your boy, young finesser, young reseller out here doing his thing. Alright, and what kind of Supreme unboxing slash bagging would it be if I didn't show you guys the stickers I picked up? I don't even know why I'm taking it out of the bag like this, just for you guys, because I actually put both t-shirts in the same bag for the sake of this video. So I already know what I picked up. But for you guys, just to show you guys what I got, let's show you what I got with the first t-shirt. You guys ready for it? Bruh. I got two box logo stickers. I was not that happy considering I was going on Facebook looking at people posting theirs for sale and seeing that they got the spring summer tees, the second drop tees, like they were getting those stickers in there, and I was like, bro, you can give me two box logos? Come on, you can give it at any day of the week. And then I go into the second box and like the second bag, and I look at it, and guess what I found? Another box logo sticker. But inside the t-shirt folded up was actually one of my favorite stickers, and one I did not have, so I'm happy to have it now. The TV sticker. This sticker over here is one of my favorites overall as far as t-shirt designs went, and even the sticker itself. I'm really happy I got this sticker. I wish I could get a brick of this. Such a dope design. I don't think Supreme even had to take that attention to detail to print out the sticker with the antennas on top. They could have just cropped it and left it at the square itself, but that attention to detail on the sticker itself is pretty dope. You guys know the TVT had a huge hit. Resale values are crazy right now on these. They're starting to settle down for the basic colors, but the summer colors like the pinks and the blues, Yo, those are hot. They're selling for a lot right now. And you already know I flipped mine. I kind of regret it. I wish I kept it in my collection, but it's soft, you know. I'm making money, it's light. It is what it is. So the TV sticker over here has a box logo on the inside. That's one of my favorite touches to it, and I feel like that added to the resale value of the t-shirt itself was the fact that there's a box logo located inside the TV itself. But overall, dope design, dope sticker. Glad I can add this to my collection along with more of these. If you guys order Supreme and you order on a consistent basis, you probably have a stack of these. I'm gonna actually count up how many I have sometime in the future, and I want to see what I want to do with them because I've just been sitting on a bunch of them for so long now. Alright guys, and that concludes my pickups from the North Face drop for spring summer 2018. Supposedly there's a part 2, usually there always is, so stay tuned for that. Live cop videos are gonna start happening more frequently now. As you guys could see in my last one, I took the L, but it's light. I want to see which way, I don't know which way it shows up on the camera. To me, this is how the L looks. If on the camera it's this way. Either way, I caught a major L on that, but it's light. Stay ready for more live cops in the future and more W's to come. Thank you guys for watching all my videos. We're getting closer to 1,000 subscribers day by day. So make sure to like this video, comment on what you picked up, comment on if you caught the L, the W, what you plan on copying for the rest of the season, and make sure to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Trying to get there to 1,000. I want to keep making this content for you guys, and I appreciate each and every one of you for supporting me throughout this entire process. Your boy's a young hype beast doing his thing, reselling, and just showing you guys some good quality content that I hope you guys enjoy. And make sure to follow my playlist on Spotify called It's a Vibe. Vibe out with me. It's a dope playlist. It's fuego, it's fire, and yeah, I will see you guys next time.